And they're up. Reyes Gold draws for your lead pass forward. Euromax Andorra in between runners is sneaking in down on the inside is Monte Napoleone, then moving up Bootlegs, running on the outside is Scad Missile Super Elegant, Sophia's Fury running third last pound for pound. Engedi and Interceptor is running at the tail of the field. Working towards the 1,000 meter, we have entry number 3, Euromax, being joined by Andorra on the outside and racing in third pass forward. Monte Napoleone moving up to take third, then moving up in between runners is God Missile. Bootlegs is by the rail. Reyes Gold fading out, then comes Super Elegant. Pound for pound is running by the rail as they race to the last 600. Andorra takes command over Euromax. Monte Napoleone sneaking room by the rail as the action kicks the last 450. Monte Napoleone now the leader, followed by Andorra Iscad Missile. Pound for pound, Super Elegant in between runners and by the rail. Bootlegs with 150 to go. Monte Napoleone by about 4 legs. Super Elegant moving up on the outside is God Missile, and pound for pound, and finally Monte Napoleone over Super Elegant. Pound for pound is God Missile, Bootlegs, and Reyes Gold.
Nairaos si Monte